Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be updating your Fortnite, so let's get started. On your screen you're going to see Fortnite. Just tap on the options key on your controller. That's on the top right hand corner of your controller. You're going to see that button says options. From there, third option will say check for update. Go right ahead and then go to updates, go to downloads, and you're going to see it there. If there's anything else updating at this point, it will get in its way. It will also get in its way any system updates or anything like that. So what I would do if I were you guys is stop any other updates. So for example, Grand Theft Auto, you already downloaded that update and it's copying it right now. That doesn't get too much in the way, except for the fact that when Fortnite is all done, then when it gets to copying the updated file, then that will get in the way, if Grand Theft Auto is getting in the way. And same goes with this other game right here. So they do get in each other's ways. So if you want to avoid any problems, just stop any other updates. If you have a system update on the other hand, do that first and then going right into Fortnite and update it. If you want to speed up the update, go ahead and hook up an Ethernet cable directly from your router to your PlayStation, so that way the update itself can run a little bit faster. Now remember, you can only help your PlayStation download it faster. However, when it comes down to copying the file, then you just have to wait. And the only way that you can help it is by stopping any other updates. So right here, if Fortnite finishes with the update and it gets to copying the updated file, I'm just going to stop Grand Theft Auto and the other game if they're getting in my way. If they're done before Fortnite is all the way right here, all downloaded, then it's okay. I'm just going to let it be. And just a quick reminder, if Fortnite is done updating and you're trying to log in, you're going to see servers not responding. It's okay. That means it's still downtime. After any update, there always is downtime and we cannot play the game until that's over. So my suggestion is just to close Fortnite, open it up again once downtime is over, and then play it. But if you keep retrying and retrying, you just keep your PlayStation turned on with Fortnite turned on the whole time, thinking that you're going to log in at some point, it's not going to happen. Actually, you will have to end up closing Fortnite, opening it up again, so you can actually refresh it even when downtime is over. So that's why it's best, just let it be, go play another game maybe, meanwhile downtime, and then come back later once downtime is completely over. But that would be it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.